Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a category on your Discord server. So go up here and press these three dots and choose create category, and here you can create the category name, for instance Valorant, and then you're just going to press create. So in here you can add in channels. So for instance, you want like a voice channel, and then you want to create, for instance, like 3 people on this channel. Just press create, and then this is for the 5. Oh, maybe party I should write it. I'm just going to write 5 people though. Can I not do? Okay, and then press create. Oh, because I did text. Sorry, I forgot to do voice channel. Press create. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.